मेरा मैम लुक किया मेरा सेंटर मेरा जी मैम मेरा सेंटर मेरा लुक किया मैम मेरा जी यहां पे मेरा जी यहां पे मेरा मैम लुक किया
Thank you.
I can say the same about you.
Huh?
I can say the same about you.
Tell us something about the evening, Hall of Fame. How does fame matters to you?
I think I'll start off with Hello. Hello has been extremely special in I think my life and Shahid's life because our first award together was from Hello, and our first cover together was with Hello. So I think it holds a very special place in our heart.
And what is the best way to have fame?
The best way to have fame, I think fame is in your destiny. But at the same time, talent, hard work, and I think it's a whole lot of destiny.
It's a combined effect.
Yeah.
And very words of wisdom, very intellectual words from these words. Because आपने जो कहा बहुत ही excuse. I'm so sorry.
No problem.
बहुत ही बुद्धिमानी वाले आपने उत्तर दिया ये.
Nothing like that. I think it's just something that I believe in. I think at the end of the day, if something is to come to you, it will come to you from underneath a mountain, and if it's not, you won't get it even if it's between your lips. So I think fame is largely to do with destiny.
Also, अब आप खुद अपनी appearance देने लगे, शायद probably is like he's there, but you also like going to the events.
No, today also I'm here only because of him. So yeah.
And where is he?
Shahid is shooting for Batti in Dehradun.
And what next we can expect from both of you together or from you?
Both of us together? I don't know. Maybe another one of these events. Something like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Are we doing one more?